Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. In this video, we are going to feature this Lion Brand's landscape yarn. It's nice and soft. These come in 3.5 ounce balls or 100 grams. It's 147 yards or 134 meters. It is a size 4-way hook. It does recommend on here a size K. 100% acrylic. And you can machine wash gentle and lie flat. And the color is Desert Spring. So yeah, it feels really soft. You can see down there. So I wanted to show you a 1-row repeat featuring this yarn. So take the label off. Find the end here. So even though it says a size K, I'm going to use a size J for this. So this is a 1-row repeat, and it's going to be like a granny square type scarf. But it'll be done in rows and not in rounds. So I'm going to put a slip knot on here. We're going to make a chain that's dividable by 3. And plus we're going to add 4. So I'm going to, let's see, we're going to start with 21. It's 21, and I'm debating whether this, right, I'm going to add 3 more. So I'll make that 24. And then we're going to add 4 more. Alright, so here's our chain of 20. How you do math? 28. Alright, so in the 4th chain from the hook here, I'm going to bring it in a little closer. In the 4th chain from hook, we're going to put in 3 double crochets. If you want to, you could work in the back loop. Right, that might be too close. See, a little bit more. Alright, we're going to skip 2, put 3, we're going to skip 2 chains, and then the next one we're going to put in 3 double crochets. Alright, so we're going to repeat that pattern across. Till we get to the end. Okay, I got like 3 left in my row, so we're obviously going to skip 2 and put 3 double crochets at the end. Right. So again, this will now be one more repeat. So we are going to chain 3, turn, and in between the 3D double crochet clusters, we're going to put 3 double crochet. Do that all the way across between 2 3 double crochets. Clusters, we're going to put 3 double crochets. No, I didn't think of it till afterwards, but if you really want to, you can put a chain 1 in between the 3 clusters, but it looks like we don't need to. So we're going to put 3 double crochets. I'll just keep doing that across. Yeah, this does feel really soft, but I wonder how well this, if you need to frog it. Not too bad. Of course, I was frogging it pretty slow, but we'll put our 3 double crochets back in here. Yeah, it's very, yeah. Okay, so we're at the end. We have our chain 3 from the beginning and the last 3 double crochets. So we're going to 3 double crochet in between the chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Chain 3, turn, and you just repeat that again. 3 double crochets in between each of the 3 double crochet clusters. Then when you get to the end, it'll be between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochet clusters. So I'm going to repeat this one row for a couple rows, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I am back. You can see the nice bright colors, but the thing is, the one ball, one skein is not enough to make a full scarf. Matter of fact, you need to at least get one. I would actually get 3 balls if you want a longer scarf, but I am just making the best of it and sewing up the ends together to be a cowl. And I'm not like doing the whip stitch, so I'm like trying to alternate this. Now it's kind of hard. I don't know if you can see that but I only had a stitch on, but I'm kind of going in, see if that in this side, and then going in up around this side. And had I done this in the back loops, oh hey, look at that. It's like, okay, let's tell you how well not to overwork the yarn. I do have some extra yarn to finish this up, so I'll finish sewing this up. But it says you don't have to use this yarn for this pattern. If you want to do a simple, I don't know if I'll call it a granny square, like your three double crochet cluster, 1 row repeat. You can make this not just a scarf, but you can make it a blanket, as long as a number that is, like I said, dividable by 3 plus 4. So I finish this up. So, and that is all I have for this tutorial. If you did like this video, please get a like. See more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.